Welcome to Motel 6 Houston, Brookhollow. Expect great rates as well as clean, comfortable rooms and excellent convenience when you choose our hotel. We're pleased to be situated off I-610 and near 5050 Acorn Golf, which is within easy walking distance. Astroworld is within a quick drive. Get your blood flowing in our seasonal outdoor pool after your wake-up call. Indoor-outdoor fun at Speedy's Fast Track is also nearby, and there are restaurants and stores to explore close at hand as well. Use free high-speed internet access to look up local sites, then pack a snack for later using your in-room refrigerator. Plus, everything that Houston has to offer is within reach, including the Houston Zoo, Space Center Houston, and much more. www.motel6houstontx.com